Imagine being over 100 years old, yet still healthy, energetic, and full of life. Japan has the highest life expectancy in the world, and one of its oldest doctors revealed a simple secret. Eat like this every day, and you could live a long, vibrant life too. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, one of Japan's oldest and most respected doctors, lived past 105 years old. His advice isn't about magic pills or expensive supplements, it's about how you eat every single day. Let's break down his simple food habits that can help you live longer and stronger. Number 1. Vegetables. For Dr. Hinohara, vegetables weren't just a side dish, they were the foundation of almost every meal. Traditional Japanese cooking celebrates variety, often including 5 different colors and several cooking styles in a single spread. You'd see leafy greens like spinach, mizuna, or komatsuna, hearty root vegetables like daikon, radish, and burdock, and cruciferous staples like broccoli or cabbage. These weren't drenched in heavy sauces, they were steamed, lightly stir-fried, simmered, or pickled to keep their flavor and nutrients intact. Vegetables do far more than fill a plate, they fuel the body. Packed with fiber, they keep digestion smooth, feed healthy gut bacteria, and help you feel satisfied without overloading on calories. They're rich in vitamins A, C, K, folate, and potassium, all essential for strong immunity, heart health, and sturdy bone. The bright colors you see on a Japanese table come from antioxidants, natural protectors that fight inflammation and help lower the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and diabetes. Even pickled vegetables bring benefits, adding probiotics that boost gut health and nutrient absorption. Dr. Hinohara's 80% full rule, or hara hachibu, fits perfectly with a vegetable-rich diet. It fills you up without leaving you heavy or sluggish. The low sugar content helps keep blood sugar steady and protects against metabolic issues. Over time, this steady habit of loading up on vegetables is linked to better energy, a healthier gut, and longer life, a common thread among Japan's longest-living people. Number 2. Fish and seafood. For Dr. Hinohara, fish and seafood were his go-to sources of animal protein, eaten almost every day but always in small, balanced portions. He often chose salmon, sardines, or mackerel, oily fish, packed with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Sometimes, he'd mix things up with shrimp, squid, or clams, adding not only flavor but essential minerals like iodine, zinc, and selenium. Fish was typically grilled, gently simmered, or served raw as sashimi to preserve its natural nutrients. Omega-3 second are the true stars here. They protect the heart by lowering triglycerides, keeping arteries clear, and reducing the risk of stroke. They also nourish the brain, supporting memory and mental sharpness well into old age. Unlike red meat, fish offers high-quality protein without excess saturated fat, helping maintain strong muscles without stressing the cardiovascular system. Eating fish regularly is linked to lower inflammation, better mood balance, and improved overall longevity. In fact, Japan's high fish intake is one reason heart disease rates are so much lower compared to many Western countries. Dr. Hinohara's simple approach, enjoying fish 3 or 4 times a week, prepared lightly without heavy oils or breading, shows how natural, unprocessed foods can be both healing and delicious. Number 3. Soy food. Soy-based foods like tofu, natto, fermented soybeans, miso, and soy milk were everyday staples in Dr. Hinohara's diet, and for good reason. These versatile, nutrient-packed ingredients made their way into soups, salads, stir-fries, or were enjoyed simply on their own. Fermented varieties like natto and miso brought an extra bonus, probiotics that keep digestion healthy and the gut balanced. Soy is a complete plant protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs to maintain muscle, repair tissues, and support hormone. It's naturally low in saturated fat, yet provides healthy fats and unique compounds called isoflavones. These plant nutrients act like gentle natural estrogens, helping with hormone balance, improving bone strength, supporting heart health, and possibly lowering the risk of certain hormone-related cancers. Fermented soy foods go even further, boosting gut bacteria, improving nutrient absorption, and strengthening the immune system. A simple bowl of miso soup, often enjoyed at breakfast in Japan, is light, hydrating, and rich in minerals like manganese, copper, and vitamin K. By choosing soy over heavy animal proteins, Dr. Hinohara reduced inflammation and kept cholesterol levels in check. These plant-based foods provided steady, clean energy and helped maintain strong muscles and bones well into his later years. His daily use of soy is a simple reminder that eating more plants, and especially fermented ones, can be a powerful step toward long-term health and vitality. Number 4. Rice and noodles. For Dr. Hinohara, rice was a daily staple, a simple, nourishing base that brought balance to every meal. Usually steamed plain, white or brown rice complemented the vegetables, fish, and soy-based sides on his plate without heavy oils or strong seasonings. Sometimes, he'd swap it out for mixed grain rice, adding barley or millet for extra fiber and nutrients. Noodles, like soba, made from buckwheat, udon, or somen, made occasional appearances, adding variety in both texture and flavor. Rice provided slow-digesting complex carbohydrates, delivering steady energy without spiking blood sugar, especially when paired with fiber-rich veggies and lean proteins. Brown rice brought extra perks: B vitamins, magnesium, and antioxidants that support heart and metabolic health. Buckwheat noodles offered their own benefits, being naturally gluten-free and packed with rutin, a compound that supports healthy blood vessels. Dr. Hinohara's 80% full rule, harahachi-bu, was easy to follow with small, mindful portions of rice or noodles. Eating this way kept his energy stable, helped manage weight naturally, and reduced the risk of diet-related illnesses. Serving rice with chopsticks also slowed the pace of eating, encouraging mindfulness and better digestion. By sticking to these simple, minimally processed staples instead of processed breads or sugary baked goods, Dr. Hinohara fueled his long life with steady, nourishing energy that worked in harmony with the rest of his diet. Number 5. Seaweed. Seaweed such as nori, wakame, kombu, and hijiki is a unique component of Japanese cuisine and a daily addition to Hinohara's meals. It is used to wrap sushi, flavor, soups and broths, or as a side dish in salads and pickles. Seaweed is highly nutrient-dense despite its low-calorie content, making it a powerful superfood in his diet. Seaweed provides iodine, essential for healthy thyroid function and metabolism regulation. It is also rich in calcium, magnesium, iron, and trace minerals that support bone strength, blood formation, and overall energy production. Seaweed's soluble fiber, alginate, aids digestion, supports gut health, and can help regulate cholesterol levels by binding fats in the digestive tract. Polyphenols and antioxidants in seaweed protect cells from oxidative stress, lowering risks of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative conditions. Fucoxanthin, a carotenoid found in brown seaweeds, is associated with anti-obesity effects, potentially supporting weight management and metabolic balance. The unique combination of nutrients in seaweed also promotes healthy skin, hair, and nails, important markers of vitality in older age. Incorporating seaweed regularly supports immune defenses and provides a salty flavor profile without excessive sodium intake from processed salts. Its umami-rich taste enhances dishes naturally, reducing the need for artificial flavorings. Hinohara's use of seaweed illustrates how small, nutrient-packed additions to meals can deliver significant long-term health benefits, contributing to his remarkable energy and longevity. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara believed that eating well didn't have to be complicated. In fact, he often joked that his meals were stupidly simple, mostly vegetables, fish, and rice, with a little lean meat just once or twice a week. His guiding rule was harahachi-bu stopping when you're about 80% full, a mindful habit that prevents overeating and helps keep weight in check. Most of his meals were home-cooked and light: a bowl of steamed rice, a serving of miso soup, some grilled fish or tofu, and a few small dishes of vegetables or pickles. He stayed away from heavily processed foods, sugary treats, and rich sauces, preferring the fresh, natural flavors of whole ingredients. This style of eating reflects the traditional Japanese approach: a simple balance of grains, soup, a main protein, and small sides. Nutritionally, his diet delivered plenty of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, while staying low in unhealthy fats and added sugars. The fish he ate provided omega-3 second for heart and brain health. Seaweed and green tea offered antioxidants to fight cell damage, while soy-based foods and vegetables supported long-term wellness and helped reduce the risk of chronic disease. Dr. Hinohara also made a point of keeping dinner light, giving his body time to digest and recharge overnight. His way of eating was all about balance, portion control, and appreciating whole, natural foods, a simple, sustainable approach that anyone can follow for better health and a longer, more vibrant life. Take a page from Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara's simple, long-proven approach to eating and start reshaping your meals today. Load your plate with colorful veggies, trade heavy red meats for fresh fish or plant-based proteins like tofu and natto, sprinkle in some mineral-packed seaweed, and keep your portions of rice or noodles modest. Follow his golden rule of hara hachibu, stop eating when you're just about satisfied to give your body the space to feel light and energized. It's the small, steady habits that build lifelong vitality. Cook more at home, share these healthy traditions with loved ones, and choose real, nourishing foods every day, just like one of the world's longest living doctors did.